Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab M11, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications and toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen like this. You want to swipe down in this panel once more to see the names of the toggles that are visible to us. And obviously we're looking for the Do Not Disturb one, which actually is right over here. Once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time, I recommend holding it. There we go. And this will take us to the settings. In here we can customize how the mode will actually function. I'm going to only talk about the couple of the options located in here that I find more important. So we have things like schedule. And there is one always pre-made one called sleeping. You can add new ones, you can edit the ones that exist. But the most important thing is if you're planning to use a schedule mode for your Do Not Disturb mode, then make sure that it's just enabled in here, and that's all you would need to do. The device will be then turning on the actual Do Not Disturb mode at the given time of your choice. Now going back, we have options for notifications, and this might be actually important to some people. This is duration for quick settings. So this defines what happens when you press on the button itself. By default, it's going to be turn on, and you will need to manually turn it off unless, or if you don't, it's going to be running indefinitely. But with this option, we can actually change it to be, for instance, on a time basis. So you can select your amount of hours that you want to run every time you toggle it on, or you can have it ask you every time. That will provide you with these two options. I personally like to set it on a middle option, select something like 4 hours, and this would always cover whatever I need it for and a little bit time extra just in case. And if I remember to turn it off, I can, and if I forget about it, the device will turn it off for me after the selected amount of hours, which is a pretty handy option. Now anyway, once you've gone through these settings right there and customize them to fit your needs, whenever you want to enable it, just simply tap on a toggle. And like I mentioned, if you want to use the schedule mode, just enable the schedule itself and don't worry about the toggle. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.